Bro, why am I lagging so bad?
I know.
What's up, guys? What's wrong with my arm? What's up, guys? Today we're filming another YouTube video, and we're gonna be trying to get that present. Like, get out of here, arm. I don't like my arm. Okay, let's get right into it. Oh, I forgot. Reindeer, where are you? Come on, let's go.
No!
Do you have
No.
a crowbar?
No, I don't need a crowbar.
Yes,
Fine.
you do, so we can open up the present.
Where's the crowbars?
It's in the weapons.
I got it.
Oh my.
I'm sorry, my bad. Go over there by yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
It's in weapons.
Oh. Got it.
Finally, let's go.
Come here.
If you, I will. Hey. Bro,
Oh, sorry.
calm down. Yo.
Why is there so many snowballs in there? What'd you do?
I don't know. Maybe because I put them in there. Come back here. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you.
Don't.
Open the present.
Okay. But then we gotta book it.
I know. Hit it. Hit it again.
Oh my god, I just got launched. Oh shoot! No! Run!
I have bullets on them. Watch out. Let's go. We need to get some stuff.
Wait, oh yeah, your backpack. Kill this thing, kill this thing.
What thing? Turn around. Look behind you.
angler fish.
Run. Run.
It's too
Oh
fast.
my. Keep up too fast, up too fast.
Oh, the anglerfish?
Kill the anglerfish.
I'm gonna kill it.
Okay. Watch out. You just died, bro. That's so. That's crazy. Bro, why'd you die? Okay, I'm going to eliminate him. Stay back! Stay back, you monkey. Okay. Pew! Wait, what the Sigma? Oh. Pew! Wait, what? What the Fortnite? Okay. Okay, perfect. Exploded one. Next one. How'd I miss? Okay, let's just kill this thing. Bro, this thing shoots me far back. Oh snap. I'm out of ammo. Oh my gosh, he was close. I'm out of ammo. Uh-oh. Bro, are you, hold on.
I got a gun.
Come here. I killed the anglerfish, don't worry.
Yeah, why can't the ammo? I wish the ammo cost like 50. That would be actually worth it.
Shoot the big guy. Shoot the big guy with your gun. The big guy.
Put your hands on the ground now.
Just shoot him. Oh, you're cooked. Oh.
I can't run.
Keep shooting him. Why you after me? I didn't do anything to him. I didn't do anything. I might have done something to him before. I didn't do anything to him right now. I missed. Ha ha. Oh, perfect. Shoot that guy. Shoot the big guy. Watch out. You're cooked.
What?
Shoot
How
the big
did he
guy.
not die? How is he not dying? What's the signal?
Oh, nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Bro. How this?
Okay, okay.
No, we need to get a crowbar. Once we kill
What are you
them,
talking
don't
about?
open the thing.
I got a revolver.
No!
Shoot the big guy.
I have too much.
Phantom
I
text.
don't have any ammo. Yes, we need to. We just need to kill the other. That boy. That big boy over there. And then.
Got him.
And then this guy. And then this guy.
What the?
I'll take out the bomb for you. I'm trying to.
Hit them. Phantom text him. Nice. Run. I died.
How did the box?
How? Bro, how? How they do that? Why are they so Fortnite?
Okay, that's too scary. I don't want to go back.
Yeah, I kind of lost my
I
revolver
spent
there,
so much money on that.
though. What do you want to? Hold
I
on.
don't know.
Let's go in the VR world.
No. Because I only have 2. How do you get those? How do you get those?
We're in the VR.
Thanks.
Hold on. What do I have? Why is that so loud? Constitution. I can get that. Can't get that. I could get that. So that means I could get that, but. Oh, frying pan. I'm gonna go get the frying pan. I want the frying pan. Oh snap! I'm gonna die. Whee!
Enzo, I can get the RPG ammo.
Then get the RPG.
Gonna climb up there with me?
Hold on. Oh Fortnite! Oh Fortnite! Oh
bottom.
Fortnite!
Are you there, Enzo? Enzo, do you copy?
Of course I copy. I'm right. I'm at the beginning. I just died.
Oh, here. Let's go make the way up there. Do you have 3? Do you have 3?
I have 0. I just spent mine on I spent mine on the spatula.
Let's climb up there
I'm
anyway.
gonna phantom text. Oh snip!
This way. Go this
I'm getting
way.
phantom text. I just got phantom text.
Did you die?
Nah, jit tripping. Of course I didn't die.
Bro, you died.
Maybe. Where even are you? Oh, there you are.
Long jump of the century.
Whee! I'm coming.
Bro, come I see you.
Hey, Ray, hamburger. No. Oh no. Oh no. Wall run. This is why I play Gorilla Tag, chat. This is why. Gorilla Tag finally pays off. Where even are you?
Yes.
Oh, there you are. I don't even see you, but whatever. You know.
No.
Where'd you go? Oh, he just did he just fall? I think he fall. Are you existent? There it is. How do you get to that thing?
No way I can get up.
Hi. Help.
I'm gonna do it. Yeah.
Gorilla Tag
Did it.
is finally going to pay off.
I did it.
Come
Now I
on,
have-
wall climb. Okay, gotta go wall run.
I'm going up. Why is it so slippery? Shoot. Why is it so slippery? I can't. You cannot pinch.
You gotta go
climb
this
that.
way.
It's so slippery. You can't even pinch climb.
Gotta
It's
go
up
up.
at the very top. It's
There's
up
the
at very
rocket
top.
launcher. But now we gotta go like
Yeah,
this.
I already have it.
Nice. I'm good. I almost have it. Hold on.
Okay, it's super slippery. What? How? It's so slippery though. Oh, I'm so lucky. Shoot, you have to do.
I got up.
I can't. Yes, I can get it.
Help! No, please. I'm dead. No, let me live, please. Rest in peace.
And so I'm gonna speed run back.
I speed run back. Me. Go into the real world once you finish. Hurry! Yacht! Sorry, but that's a level 10. Yacht! Sorry. He's gonna phantom text me.
Heather, can you be quieter?
Okay. I'm gonna eat him. What the? Stay back. Stay back.
I can.
Can you explode me with that?
How much is it again? Oh yeah, it's 10,000. The ammo is 1,000. Let's go.
Now, grab one. Can you buy me one of them? A rocket launcher? Can you
No,
bu-
I don't
can you-
have enough money.
Please.
Now I only have 3,000, and
Why?
they cost 10,000.
I was so skibbity. Pipe down. Logan can explore the big pipes. What are the big pipes? You already have ammo on there.
Yeah, but now
Explode
it's
me,
two.
please. Please. Wait, we can go explode
No,
the
I'm
big guys.
saving it. Let's go. No, let's go in gorilla tag. I'm saving it.
Okay. I need to call him. So, I'm going to end the video right here, guys. That's going to be the end of the video. Hold on. Let me get in Gorilla Tag so I can press this thing. Oh, that's going to be the end of the video. See you guys next time. Bye.